Hi, in this lesson, we will introduce the project that you'll be working on over the next few lessons. You've been hired by a roofing company called Precision Roofing. They specialize in barn and cottage-style roofing. They need you to write a program that quickly determines the dimensions of a roof and how much roofing material they'll need for a build. We'll go over this in more detail later, but in general, the company needs to factor in the attic height, the distance between the walls, and the length of the roof. From there, we'll be able to calculate the length of the slope of the roof and the area of the roof. These calculations help them determine how much material they'll need for the roof. To create our program, we're going to use a programming language called Python. It's a very popular programming language right now, and it's used in everything from web and game development, scientific research, data analysis, and artificial intelligence, among others. Popular companies like Netflix, Google, Instagram, Spotify, and even yours truly, CodeHS, use Python as part of their platforms. Here's the CodeHS editor, which you'll be doing most of your work in for the rest of this project. On the left is where you'll type your programming, and the right is where you'll run the code and see the results. Your typing space may be white instead of black, which is okay. In Python, we can type calculations just like we do it on a calculator. For example, if I want to calculate 56 divided by 2, I'd write it as 56/2, where the slash symbol means division. In order to see the result of the calculation when we run the program, we use what is called a print statement. I use the word print and follow it with parentheses. We put whatever we want to print inside the parentheses. To run the code, I click the green Run Code button. When I do this here, I see the results of the calculation, which was printed by the print statement. In fact, I can have as many calculations and print statements as I'd like. When I click Run Code, I see the results of all three print statements. We can do all sorts of calculations in Python, so it's important to remember our orders of operations. Remember PEMDAS? PEMDAS helps us remember the order in which arithmetic operators are performed. First parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and then addition and subtraction. Before we get too much further, it's your turn to explore some of these simple programs and review your order of operations.